Welcome to the Packer Job Overview. We're going to take you on a tour of a production facility where you'll learn about what the work environment looks like, the different roles, and important aspects of a packer's job. A packer works in a manufacturing facility or a shipping distribution center. Their role is to prepare and pack products for shipping. In our example, you will see packers working in a facility that creates plastic parts. They are working alongside plastic injection machines, taking parts off conveyors and packing them. A packer is an entry-level job with room for promotion. In most facilities, as you gain experience, you will be given more responsibilities along with an increase in pay. You work under the direction of a packer zone leader. Packers work with various hand tools such as tape guns, utility knives, and deburring tools. You will work with automated machines that can band parts together or even automatically tape boxes. Packers will interact with automated product delivery systems. The packer job is a good fit for someone who enjoys a fast-paced, repetitive task job and who can work with a high attention to detail. In this role, you will read work instructions, inspect parts for quality, complete any finishing operations like labeling, deburring, and sometimes assembling parts before packing them as per your instructions for the day. When you start as a packer, typically you will be packing parts from one machine. As your skills increase, you will be promoted to higher levels of responsibility, where you may work with multiple machines or working on assembly lines. The working environment will vary from company to company. Generally, the environment is very clean and organized. Some companies have a lot of automation, including robots, doing much of the loading and unloading, while others require more manual work. You'll start your day by putting your safety gear on. It's important to dress appropriately. Eye protection must be worn at all times. Ear protection may be required in some areas if the noise level is high. Additionally, you may need to wear cut-proof gloves to protect your skin from sharp tools. Before starting any new job, you will need to look at your work order to identify what your role is for that job. It will tell you which parts you will be packing and at which station. Once you have arrived at your station, check your labels and examine the first off part provided by the quality department. The first off part is your example of what a quality part must look like. This will allow you to quickly identify quality issues in the parts you are packing. Review the packing protocols so that you understand how this part should be packed, including how many parts per carton, how cartons should be stacked on pallets, and how many cartons it takes to fill a pallet. Take a moment to take stock of materials you will need, such as cartons, tape, and pallets. Call for materials if needed. As a packer, you will be required to build the cartons the parts are being packed in. Pack the parts in the cartons, and then place the cartons on a pallet. You will need to examine parts for manufacturing defects and report issues found to the appropriate team member. You will also have to keep pace with the manufacturing line. You may also be assembling parts into a finished product before being packed for shipping. You will have to assemble parts properly, keeping an eye out for quality issues. Products, cartons, and even pallets need labels. Packers are responsible for labeling products, cartons, and pallets correctly. It is important to ensure labeling is accurate to guarantee products go to the right location or department. Some parts will be packed with special packing materials such as bubble pack. A bubble wrap machine is used to create the proper bubble pack as needed. Quality starts with closely examining the appearances of the part and to specifically look for defects, such as color problems or blemishes. In addition, you are responsible for checking for flaws in the part, such as missing features or other manufacturing problems. Quality checks also require you to feel with your hands, feeling for any areas that may be a danger to customers, such as sharp edges and corners. Packers will trim any problem areas with a knife or deburring tool. Quality is a very important part of your role in the company, as you are the last person to see the part before it heads to the customer. During your workday, you may be standing for long periods of time, walking, and performing repetitive motions such as bending, twisting, and turning. You need to be healthy with good stamina and able to lift parts and cartons consistently throughout the day. Parts of the job require using fine motor skills to feel parts by hand, control tools, and operate controls. Packers work in a fast-paced production environment with pressure to perform to expectation. You will need to be able to count quickly and follow work orders. Key traits of a packer working in a manufacturing facility are reliability, a positive attitude, and good attendance. Being a packer can be a satisfying job where consistency and mental focus are essential. Packing facilities are a good place to work if you prefer structure and following routines in your job. Because of the fast-paced nature of packing work, your supervisor may require you to switch jobs and machines at a moment's notice to meet production demand. The work environment may be quite loud because of the noise the machines generate. One of the benefits of becoming a packer is the consistency of the work schedule that guarantees steady hours and room for advancement.